A bill expanding the use of facial recognition technology by law enforcement in Virginia took effect earlier this month.
The issue has drawn criticism from privacy and social justice advocates. So the Verify team is looking into exactly when and how it can be used. Here's Evan Kozlov.
This law is a big step backwards for the Virginia legislature.
I think it's going to lead to more people being exonerated and also more people and more crimes being solved.
A bill expanding facial recognition technology in Virginia passed earlier this year, and the law just took effect. So let's dive into the details. It allows local and campus law enforcement to use facial recognition technology, something that only state, federal, and private police were allowed to use previously. It also creates penalties for misuse and reporting requirements for state, local, and campus police.
Any kind of technology that's used has to be 98% accurate as determined by the National Institutes of Standards and Technology.
But the ACLU claims that accuracy rate is pretty misleading because they say the tests are run in a lab setting rather than out in the world where lighting can be poor and photos aren't captured head on. They also claim it's racially problematic.
And these technologies have been shown to have disproportionately inaccurate data for people with darker skins.
But Surivel, who's also a criminal defense attorney, disagrees.
If the concern is accuracy, witness lineups have been shown to have something like a 40% error rate. I don't really get the objection to having technology do something that human beings are not very good at doing themselves.
So all these opinions aside, let's verify this. When can police use facial recognition? Our source is the law, which lays out 14 instances when it can be used, including to identify a suspect, a victim, a deceased person who they can't identify, and a person who can identify themselves. It is not allowed to be used in order to establish probable cause for a search warrant or an arrest warrant, although Surivel says it can be used to tip off police as a lead generator. With your Verify, I'm Evan Kozlov.
If you have a question about this or any claim you see on social media, send it our way. Just email verify@13newsnow.com. Our team will work to get you some answers.